Hello, my name is Daisy Milena Perez. I am a student engineer industrial in the UNAD. Day June 24, the 2020, and case study Facebook. Company overview in the case study. Facebook is an American-born company that offers online social media and social media service based in Menlo Park, California. Its website was launched on February 4 and has been founded by Mark Zuckerberg, along with other Harvard University students and roommates. The Facebook company page is a free tool that allows you to reach the audience through your phones or computers. It is designated specifically for companies, brands, celebrities, causes, and organizations, while Facebook profiles can be private, pages are public. There are the Chrome chips that are feelings, designs, pokers, advertisements, deals, wise, third party companies, and virtual currencies. Problem facing the company. 1. Employee attrition. And they are not comfortable in the company and they want to look for something new. 2. It has been classified as a surveillance company that collects personal data. Personal data, renamed social media. 3. Companies are coming to a good place to not hire more advertising with Facebook. Causes of the problem. Cause of the problem. 1. Company want to pressure Facebook and experts to suppress posts that glorify violence, divide and unify the public, and promote racism and discrimination. 2. Employees feel that their manager does not give the team the treatment they deserve. And in consequences of the problem, 1. Fall in the price of your shares. 2. Large companies are not tiring more advertising with Facebook. They are reducing advertising speed. And 3. Your employees want to defeat do not feel at ease. They feel that they are on a silky board. Thank you. Bye bye.